First create a circle, holding Ctrl to keep the aspect ratio. Change the width and height to 100 and make sure that padlock icon is selected. Hold Ctrl and D to duplicate the circle twice. Make sure these nodes snapping icons on the right are highlighted. Snap the bottom two circles to the quadrat point. Shift-click on the right and left circle and go to Path, Union. Shift-click on the top circle and do Path Difference. Now come to Edit, Clone, create tiled clones. We'll do a simple translation. Shift should be 50% per row on the x-axis, and 10 rows and columns. Now let's highlight our pattern, and go to Path, Union. Then create a rectangle, making sure it snaps to the cusp nodes again. Shift-click on the pattern. And go to Path Intersection. And that's it.